security, make sure allow HTTP requests like you don't need this, but you need this on. But first, I'm gonna create a new script in the server script service, DataStore. Okay, you want to call it that. It doesn't matter what you call it actually. What I'm gonna do is a way that's gonna be more efficient and better for saving. So if you already have like a server leaderboard, a leader stats, then I would delete that right now if I were you. Um, okay. So basically, get data store and data store. Okay, basically, okay, this just calls the players. It'll be important later, but this line right here, and this does the same thing. And this line right here, local coins data store equals data store service get data store coins data store. It's not like actually getting a data store, like just like a magical data store. It creates a new one, and if you want to reset your data, you just have to like change it to like this. But I'll show you what that is later in the video. Okay, but now what I'm doing is like the most efficient way. You do not have to do it the way I'm doing it. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'll be doing this. So yes, I'll do that. And then let's make that player, leaderstats.Name, leader stats. It's important you name it this. If you don't name it that, then it won't show up on the leaderboard, okay? So I'm just gonna name this coins. You can name this anything you want. And that an int value, I'm gonna make this a number value. You can make it an int value if you want. Basically, like the difference is an int value is like hold up. I'll actually explain that in like a short or something. Okay. So this just sets up the leaderboard. So let me actually do this. Dot player added connect on player. I'll also add the script into this description because I made a poll and y'all want me to do that for some reason. Yeah, it just sets it up the normal way, and it's also going to be way easier to access. So, okay, you also want to type local coins. Just type that, and it will be important later. So I'm just gonna call a pcall. Calling a pcall is gonna be secure. Yes, I want to make it this equals coins data store get async. So this creates a new async. And then I'm just gonna call this the player.UserId. It's kind of hard to explain what the coins what this line does, but if I learn more about it, I can explain it, but I don't really know. I just know it's supposed to be there. Now we want to add an if success then yeah, make this, okay? But you also want to check if coins equals nil, and coins dot value equals 0. Okay. I think that's all we do, right? Yeah, I think that's it. If it doesn't work, I'll come back to that. Wait, never mind. We have to, if not success, then one error loading for date. Yes, and so that just prints the error that we need to fix. So it's gonna be important for me. So then we want to make this coins.value equals 0. Player.Removing connect on player removing function on player removing. okay, this part is really important. They actually save the data. So like this part over here, this just like makes a data store, but this part saves the data, so it's important. So now, okay, guys, so this part, like you like want it like to be exactly like mine, or it will error. So, like it's just like basically, if it's not like mine, yeah, it's not gonna work. And so if leader stats, then so this like checks if the leader stats was found. So then we can do the same process with the coins. No, I don't want it to be that long. I don't want to do that yet because I don't know what it did. So yes, I want to do that. So yeah, then coins data store. Um, now we need to update async. Update async. Player.UserId, comma, function, return coins.Value. I do want to do that. And if success, then if coins equals nil, coins.Value equals 0, coins.Value equals coins. I have to create a new value for the coins. Like all coins. I'll just put it there, I guess. Yeah, it should be it. Let's see what's this area. Okay, yeah. I gotta make this cool. Do something actually. I do not think what we definitely do. Um, yeah, I'll just come back to that. My bad. So then bind to close. Well, so basically the bind to close thing is so it like if the server is getting shut down, the data will still save. So players will come in handy here. And then I can do that, and then I just repeat this function right here. I gotta fix this. Um Hold up. I'll cut the video when I see. I'll just cut the video. Hold up. Um. Oh wait, never mind. So coins equals 0. Like there's like no coins here. If yeah, no, I'm like so. If it's nil, if coins is nil over here, like this coins, then this coins comes in and it turns to 0. So coins.value equals coins. Oh yeah. Um, so I was practicing this before to like make this tutorial. I had to learn this so I can make it for you guys. And so here we go. So this is my bad. So script.parent.touched connect function. Get scan out those. Get player from character. Fit the not parent player then. One. Actually, yes. No. Okay, local debounce equals true. Player dot coins. No, dot player dot leader stats dot coins. Dot value equals 0, 8, 1, and no plus equals 1. So like, let me see. I don't care about like this stuff right now. Um. Oh, I did that the opposite way around. Let's see. String deepens false then player dot leaderstats dot one. Then just anchor this part just in case. So now let's see if this works. Yeah, I still gotta make it. Okay, I'll just link that code in the description. If no, okay, I will fix that later when we need to fix it. So, all right, let's see if no six. Well, okay, so something should not right. I'm just gonna make this like that. Or is that the reason why it's error? Okay, I'll just fix that later. That's fine. Right now, okay, so there's something wrong with OnPlayerRemoving over here. That can't be that. Means what? Return. Okay, what? Well, at this time. Well, I'm first gonna actually add an else statement. It's coins 0, coins because, so let's see. Wait, you know why I'm doing that. I can just do that later. Just fix that. Oh, what? Value type of number to be converted. Oh, yeah, when I was practicing, I made my own data store, so I have to like make this something like DataStore 25. So, alright, well, no, it's something going on here. What? So coins should not be near there. It's defined right there. Okay, I'm going to cut the video. Did not take me this long to realize what I did wrong. Alright, Coins.Value coins, so that's fixed now. And then over here, I can just repeat that. So, what? No, that doesn't sound right. Wait, I don't think I did. Guys, hopefully I did this right. Oh, this? Okay. I don't know why it's filling out so many requests. So, basically, why you want to keep like it all in one data store, it's kind of matter because if this warning like it's just like telling me, oh well, it works now, as you can see. Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna fix this right now, but basically if you see that error, that's probably signaling to you, hey, if you make another data store, we're not gonna help you anymore. So Um, yeah, I don't like it. I'm just gonna try this. Equal debounds equals true. Yeah, I don't know, that should work. Oh, wait. Like I said, I believe I'm doing this the other way around. What? Okay, I'm gonna cut the video once again to figure out what is wrong with this code. Okay, guys, this, that would be nice. Okay, yeah. Here's the updated code. Yeah, I just realized that it was like, it didn't even start out to be, it started out to be true. Well, like, this was right. This, like, code right here was right. I just added this to make it secure. And I just realized that, yeah, this was like that. So this would just keep on giving me this forever. So what the heck? No, I don't want to ask Assistant anything. That AI stinks. Okay, well, I hope you learned more about the data store service, data store service, and you could use it to use your games, help your games out. Okay. And remember, this data store, if you change it, all of your data is gone. Let me actually show you that. So, yeah, it's cool. It's 0 again. Um, yeah. So, yeah, I hope you learned from this. I will see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.